Jayant student, today we are going to discuss the value based question in the chapter first, the story of village Palampur. The first question states some alternate economic activity other than farming that help in progress and development of village. The answer for this question is alternate economic activities other than farming are first dairy farming, second, opening a shop that sell product of daily requirements such as soap, sugar, tea, biscuit, etc. Third, construction activities such as constructions of road, school, building, etc. Fourth, with constructions of road, mean of transport such as truck, bus, rickshaws are used, thus connecting the village with the town and cities. Fifth, setting up small scale cottage industries such as poultry making, handicraft help the villagers also keep the traditional value of Indian alive. The next question, Green Revolution has been benefited Indian agriculture but there are some disadvantage. The answer for this question is disadvantage of green revolutions are first, lead to loss of soil fertility. Second, lead to pollutions of groundwater. Third, lead to pollutions of river water making it unfit for use. Fourth, modern method of cultivation required a lot of water for irrigation, thus lead a reducing the water table level. Fifth, lead to land degradation after the few years. The next question, state how different factors of production help in the progress of individual and the nation. The answer for this question, every production is organized by the combining land, labor, physical capital and human capital. Land include resources such as water, forest, minerals and man uses the land for the production. In the labor, both skilled and unskilled labor are used for resources according to their availability. In the physical capitals, tools, machines are required by the labor to use the resources. And the most important, that is human capital, it is the human with his education, knowledge and skill use all the factor of productions. Therefore, he improve his income, improve his standard of living, contribute in the production process of various industries such as manufacturing. As a result, economic condition of the country improve and country progress. The next question, state the shortcoming of uses of chemical fertilizer. Also state the step one should take to reduce the use of chemical in agriculture. The answer for this question is the shortcoming use of chemical fertilizers are a loss of soil fertility. Second, chemical fertilizer escape from soil and polluted groundwater, lake and rivers. Third, cost of cultivation has become very high as the farmer is forced to use more fertilizers to achieve the same production level. And some steps taken to reduce use of chemical fertilizers are first, uses of organic farming. Second, combining modern technology with traditional farming to maximize crop yield and substance productivity. Third, uses of cultural practice such as intercropping, crop rotations. Fourth, mechanical methods such as destructions of insect by hand picking and using hand nets and use of light traps. Fifth, use of